Oh,
Ano?
Judy,
Yes?
when did you come to the America?
1986.
1986?
Yeah.
Oh, how old are you at that time?
I am 21, going 22.
Oh, how did you get here in America?
I was married in military, Marine lover.
Oh,
Woo!
you're a marine lover.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Did you have kids?
Of course, I have 3 kids.
Oh, okay. Do you like America?
Of course, I love America.
Oh, pagka
This is my favorite place to live.
Oh, okay. Did you saan man ako ikaw, eh?
What a year!
What did you eat for
That's
breakfast?
not very convincing. That's a boring life. You want to know what is my life?
Yeah.
You know,
How's your life in America?
it's really struggle, but I'm just hanging there and do my best.
Oh, okay.
I try to get my degree, but I fail because I got a having children is not easy.
Okay.
Para tayong mga team.
Are you looking someone?
Of course, yes, I'm looking for someone.
Why? Are you single?
Oh yeah,
Oh,
I am
really?
single.
Oh, okay.
Single. I'm ready to mingle.
What is your type?
What is my type? Has to be a Marine retired.
Oh my God. Okay.
I'm looking for this guy.
Oh, okay.
I met him when I was in Okinawa, Japan.
Okay.
And then I went to, after that, I went to North Carolina and we met over there again. And we have,
Oh, when was that?
when I was in Okinawa, Japan, I met this guy, 1993.
Oh.
And then we went back to, Camp Lejeune, North Carolina, and we see it to each other again.
Oh.
And that time, I'm having a short relation.
Oh.
It's amazing.
Oh.
And we have a promise to each other.
Okay. May I know what promise?
Oh my God.
What promise is that?
We have a promise that we're gonna be we're gonna start in our future. But he didn't his promise, he commit, he didn't broke it. I did.
Oh no.
I did
Okay.
something that I don't want him to know. He come back, from a military sent him somewhere, and when he come back, he's looking for me, and I was hiding.
Oh.
And I'm there when when he's looking for me, hiding in the window, and I see his face is very disappointed.
Oh.
And now that was like 1994.
Oh. No.
Something happened to me. My life it did struggle, and I got to get married to somebody.
Do you know his name?
I know his name, but I don't know his last name. If I know his last name, I already find him, but I'm looking for him.
You're looking
now.
for him.
Yeah.
So what is
It's
his
in there somewhere. His name is Dan. Everybody call him Daniel.
Oh. Okay.
If you're there somewhere, there is Judy. I'm alive. The cancer don't kill me. Everybody tell you, my friend, that where you were looking for, they said that I'm dead, but I'm not dead. I'm alive. I'm in Ohio.
Okay. All right.
So maybe you're there and you know who I'm talking to. The last time we talked, it's in the barracks in Camp Lejeune, in your room. And we have to promise to each other. I hope you hear this, so that way call me if you can, or you can find me. I'm not hiding no more.
Okay. Just comment.
I'm free.
Oh,
I'm
just
not
comment
hiding
your.
no
Just comment
commitment.
your name below.
Comment. What comment? I'm ready to mingle now.
Okay.
And you used to call me butterfly.
Oh. Okay.
The butterfly is flying and it's about landing.
So you really want him?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna say that to the media. I hope I find him, but I'm looking for him. He's looking for me back then, but this time I'm looking for him. We're opposite now.
Okay.
Yeah.
You miss him. Okay.
My heart is, I carry he carry my heart.
Oh.
And I carry his heart.
Oh, sige, sige. Okay, okay.
Alright.
Alright.
See you later. More info next time.